Hi friends, today I'm going to show you a sample of what workmanship is going to bring to a installation. I say 100 times it is not about the product. Yes, product makes a huge difference and the quality as well, but the installation makes a very huge difference. I have a car. The customer actually took a quotation from me, but he has spoken to certain other dealers, and because there was a very small difference in the pricing, he has to go to them, but the work which it has been done has been pathetic. So let me show you what and all is the problem which the customer is facing, and this car was installed just a day before. So let me start. If you can see in the downside, there was an installation of W5. So if you see the installation, they have actually put the projector on the reverse side because the I-beam is coming on the lower side. Let me show the video. This is the low beam. You can see the I-beam here. So the I-beam has to be on the reverse. So this is what the customer actually is experiencing. The other thing, the most important thing I say is the fabrication which is required for this. So this has been just cut and it has been drilled, but I asked the customer to rechange it by putting a fabrication. I will show you that video also. But the blender which has been done is in the complete audio segment. The audio has been completely screwed up. So when we opened the car, we could see most of the plugs have not been actually installed to the original trims, and the wiring has been pathetic, and the tuning of the amplifier was also done so badly. So if you come closely, let me explain what was the frequency which was given for the subwoofer. If you can see, it has been set at 3200 hertz, but it has to be less than 80 hertz. This was the basic principle of any subwoofer setup. So this has been completely messed up, and it is completely, the subwoofer is playing so bad. The customer actually want to remove the setup itself. So right now, after speaking to the customer, and if you even see, the worst part is the wiring. They have actually broken the grill as well, and they have used a subwoofer box with a different thickness. So the sound was not at all coming. The plug was directly plugged to the subwoofer as well. I always say at RS Car Modifiers, we work on precision, quality, and the fitment. So I'm going to show you what kind of an output we are going to fix. The customer got so frustrated that he wants to change the complete setup of this car to his Fortuner by adding up a DSP. So we are going to add a Morel DSP in this. So he is going to get the car now. So we'll be able to shift the complete setup to that car.